Sending follow-up emails automatically is one of the easiest ways to streamline your communication and ensure you're staying on top of your leads. With Apollo.io, setting up automated follow-ups is quick and efficient, and in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a special bonus that will give you access to this powerful tool completely free. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. Let's dive into Apollo.io's powerful automation feature. Apollo.io is designed to make your lead generation and email outreach more efficient, and automating follow-up emails is one of its most impactful features. It takes the guesswork out of whether or not you're following up and ensures that your emails are sent on time, even if you're busy. Plus, it lets you focus on more important tasks like closing deals, rather than worrying about whether a prospect received your last email. The first step is to sign up for Apollo.io if you haven't already. You can try Apollo.io for free by using the exclusive link in the description below, which gives you access to their premium features at no cost. Once you've signed up and logged into your account, the next step is to set up your follow-up sequence. You can automate follow-ups in Apollo.io by using their Sequences tool. Sequences allow you to set up a series of emails that will be sent automatically to your prospects based on triggers you define. This is incredibly useful for ensuring your follow-up process is consistent and that you're nurturing leads over time. To start, go to the Sequences tab in your Apollo.io dashboard. From there, click on Create Sequence. You'll be prompted to add your first email, which will be the initial outreach or intro email. Once you've written that email, you can set up follow-up emails to be sent at specific intervals. For example, you can schedule a follow-up email one day after the initial email, and another one 3 days later, and so on. When crafting your follow-up emails, it's important to keep them personalized and relevant. Apollo.io lets you use merge tags so you can automatically insert information like the prospect's first name, company, and job title. This will help you avoid sending generic, one-size-fits-all emails, which can feel impersonal and reduce your chances of getting a response. Now here's the cool part. Apollo.io not only automates the emails, but also tracks how your recipients engage with them. You'll get notifications when someone opens your email or clicks on a link, which gives you valuable insights into which follow-ups are most effective. This tracking feature is a great way to optimize your email sequences over time, ensuring you're sending emails that people actually care about. But of course, automation doesn't mean you should just set it and forget it. You should always monitor how your follow-ups are performing. If you see that certain sequences are leading to higher engagement or better responses, try to replicate that in future emails. Apollo.io makes it super easy to adjust and tweak your follow-up sequences based on the performance data. Also, if you're sending cold emails, keep in mind that Apollo.io helps you stay compliant with email regulations like GDPR and CAN-SPAM. This is something you definitely want to keep in mind when setting up your automated emails, as compliance is key to avoiding penalties and maintaining a good reputation. Finally, Apollo.io offers some exclusive bonuses for users who sign up through the link below, including an extended free trial. This gives you full access to all the features I've just mentioned, and trust me, you'll want to try this out if you're looking to scale your outreach. So, to recap, Apollo.io makes sending follow-up emails automatically a breeze. You can easily create sequences, personalize your emails, track engagement, and improve your outreach efforts with ease. If you're new to Apollo.io, don't forget to sign up through the link below to get exclusive access to the software and try it for free. Plus, with this free trial, you can explore all the features and see for yourself how it can transform your outreach process. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you want to take your outreach to the next level, Apollo.io is the tool to help you do that.